Sir, kumusta po?
Sir,
Hello, sir.
first time.
Thank you, sir.
Galing ha. Congrats in advance, pare. Wow. Ikaw ba yan?
To meet you, sir. Ate.
Lalakas loob namin.
Kuya. Guwapo.
Okay ka na,
Kinahabahan ako.
Hindi!
Sanay ko dyan eh.
November 26 ang balik ko.
Aming bisita.
Bigger to kaysa yung last year. Kumusta po kayo?
We're always watching you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Mami, papakuha ko na yung picture.
Apo. Thank you po. Sir, thank you.
Galing mo talaga.
Sir, i-claim niyo yung mga pwede para hindi kayo magutom.
Apo.
Sir, pa-picture naman tayo, sir.
Iyakan na kami, magaling na si Mami.
Hello, ma'am. Magaling ka na.
Pray for you talaga.
Thank you sa prayers, sir. Ayan na naman.
Kayo.
Palit.
Yan.
Alright.
Sa kanya ka.
Pwede ganun na lang.
Ganon.
Sige, yan o. Ready, on?
Oh my God!
Okay.
Okay ka lang, Dad?
Kami yung pinadala ni Mia Resurrection.
Okay. Kayo mga pinsan niya.
Magpapapicture daw kami sa iyo.
Ay, sige, sir. From Quezon pa kayo, sir.
Oo, sir.
Sir, forward. Yan.
Sige. Thank you, sir. Thank you po.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Pakisabi kay Ma'am Mia. Thank you so much. Pa-picture tayo, Dok.
Malaki na to ah. Hindi ba nag-request pa na mag-sponsor pa yung iba? Nag-additional request na makapasok sila for sponsorship.
Kaso, sir, close na rin namin.
Pero may mga pumasok pa, may mga gusto pang pumasok for sponsorship.
Pero hindi na siya nila sila. Saka priority namin yung mga na-feature.
Na-imagine ko na yung next year mo.
Yes.
800 na kayo next year.
Alam mo, ma'am, kumusta po?
Iniwan na kita.
Picture. Sir, Doc, thank you.
Sir
Sir Edgar! Kilala niyo Sir Edgar?
Uy, nag-miss na kayo doon.
Siya, kilala ko siya. Yan ang farm ni Doc Pamplona.
Ganda, sir.
Pati yung rest house na
Wow.
kami.
Grabe yun lang kama.
Grabe.
Kasi nung huling nakarating ako doon, 90s pa. Sir.
Ka dito.
Ayun, sir.
Anong gagawin mo?
Dito na lang muna, sir. Dito na lang muna.
Ready?
Okay.
Wait lang, kuya.
Kamay mo, ilagay mo sa likod. Okay, go.
Okay.
Okay. Ervin! Ayan.
Thank you.
Thank
you. Si ma'am.
Opo, matipot na isama.
Ma'am.
Ikaw ha, sa FB lang, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Sobra.
Thank you, sir, for having us.
Ma'am, thank you.
Brand new fan.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
But been long
Watching.
Wow, sir, thank you po. Sino
Sir.
kasama niyo? Ayan.
Wow, thank you. From Mindoro kayo, ma'am. Kumusta? Hindi malakas ang alon?
Hindi naman po. Kaya lang kahapon binagyo kami. Kaya kala hindi makakatulog.
Thank you so much. Salamat, ma'am.
Ma'am, salamat po ah.
Ma'am, thank you so much po. Sir.
Ay, ma'am. Idol ko kayo eh.
Okay, thank you, sir. Saan po kayo galing, sir?
Sir, Batangas.
Batangas. Malapit lang.
Yes, sige po.
Sir Eric Restore. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us also.
Sir, hello po. Thank you so much, mama.
Thank you.
Sir. Thank you.
My first famous person.
Hello.
Country manager, Enzo Sanen.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yung tayo din. Nagbili ng ticket. Siyempre, di ba?
Mami, paanap ka ng natanggal yung yung paanap ka ng ponytail. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much po.
Hindi pa ako farmer. Dito lang, hindi po ako farmer pero gusto ko
Hello, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Sir,
Again, sir, thank you.
Talaga naman. Patuloy ang paglaki ng paglaki ng kami. Kumusta?
Attorney, thank you so much.
Lakas mo sa akin, sobrang lakas mo sa akin. Sige. Teka lang, hindi ko lang wife ko.
Sige.
Sila may...
Andyan, sila General, andito sila.
Thank you again.
Sir, again, thank you so much. Kumusta yung Agarwood mo? Nabuhay ba?
May nabuhay, merong hindi, pero mas marami yung nabuhay.
Okay.
Okay na. Ang lalaki na.
Ang lalaki na.
Travel kayo ng Mindoro, sabihan nyo kami.
Ay, sige.
Okay, kahit one night lang.
Sige. Thank you so much.
How are you, man?
Yeah, good.
Hey. So, we need to do formalities first, no?
Sir, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Sobra.
Ano ba tayo?
Picture mo tayo.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Sir, thank you for coming po.
Sila na restore.
Yeah.
Sir, sir, sobra. Maraming salamat.
Forward.
Apo. Sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Kamusta po kayo?
Nanonood lang ako ngayon, dito na.
Ay.
Nice meeting.
Okay, official po. Sir, thank you so much. May upuan na po kayo? Bahala po. Sir, i-claim nyo yung mga mga freebie.
Ganun. Pero kakain muna kami.
Oh, may mga pagkain dyan. Oh, pwede na kayo kumuha. Yung mga kasama, pwede nyo nang i-claim.
Okay.
Oh, para...
Pali.
Hello, sir. Thailand. Kumusta? Butit hindi na yung flight nyo?
Flight niya ka po.
Very successful.
Opo.
Hinahanap pa rin namin.
Wala pa si Sir Dong?
Wala pa.
Nag-picture pa tayo. Mami, ihatid mo sila doktora sa harapan. Sa harapan sila. Sir.
Ha?
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Hi.
Basta si Mr. and Miss Buddy.
Thank you.
Naka-display ang litrato mo malaki.
Ay, talaga.
Kaibigan kasi yung nakasalubong sa bridge.
Bridge. Sa San Francisco.
Bakit ako hindi nakasama doon? Yung pala, by chance lang.
May chance. Nagkataon lang. Sir, picture tayo.
Makukuha ko ba yung picture na yan?
Yes, sir. I-upload naman nila, sir.
Messenger.
Siya yung unang nandito kanina.
Talaga, sir.
Thank you. Makuha kasi ako ng farm equipment.
For equipment. Sir, thank you so much.
setup ha.
Ang ganda ng stage. Pangarap ko yan eh. Thank you so much.
Marami makakausapin si Sir. Di ba? Tayo magkwentuhan.
Wala pa.
Pero safe naman yung procedure mo.
Ano naman yun? Walk-in. Parang lang. Ang tawag doon. Parang lang.
Okay. Ma'am, bahala na kayo. Ay, andyan na si Ricky? Nakita na kayo?
Lang nila eh.
Meron kayong yung bingo card? Oh, pwede nyo i-claim lahat to. Lahat to.
May kulay ako, may ano.
Iniikot-ikot.
Ay, sir. Picture tayo, sir.
Sir Mark. Sa idol niya.
Sir, sa harapan ka, sir.
Oo nga, sige. Nandun na si Target.
Hello.
Fun.
Ay,
I'm a fan of your vlog.
thank you so much. Sa gitna ka, ma'am. Ayan.
Saan ka po galing?
I'm from Negros. Dahil kayo kasama sa buhay ko. Kasi may cameraman ka yan. Thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Alam mo ba, inanap na ako ni Sophia na para kayong trans passenger. Kung sino lang cancel, doon ako makakuha ng ticket. Eh, tatlo kami. Ako lang ang nakapasok.
Sorry.
Next time sabi ko, marami pa yan. Sunod-sunod yan. I'm happy to see you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you talaga.
Ma'am, saan mo kayo galing?
Paranaque.
Okay. Paranaque lang.
Sige, okay.
Thank you. See you po, sir.
Hello po, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Invite namin kayo sa
Saan po
amin.
kayo galing?
Saan po?
Subic kami.
Subic, ayan.
Madalas kayo dumadaan sa amin.
Opo, lagi kayong dinadaanan.
Basta kayo mag-overnight sa amin.
Sige, sir. Sir, i-text mo naman ako doon sa number ko, sir. Para ano.
Para mapasyal kayo sa
Oh. Pag na-text mo na ako, kukulitin na kita.
Oo, sa Airbnb.
Oh, I see.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you ha. Sir, salamat po. Sir, saan po galing?
Tarlac, sir. Tarlac.
Saan sa Tarlac?
Sa Paniki, sir.
Paniki, Ilocano?
Hindi po.
Kapampangan?
Po kami.
Ha?
Taga-Cavite na nakaka-aware ng property sa Tarlac.
Sir, buddy.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you din.
Ma'am, thank you ha. Sir.
Salamat po. Ma'am, lagi ko kayo pinapanood.
Yes, sir. Sir, thank you.
Resibo yan eh. Para pag-report ko kay Mrs. makita nila yung ano.
Yes.
Sir, pwede po.
Hello. Hello, ma'am. Sir, sama ka dito. Ay, magkasama kayo ba?
Kapatid ko po, naiyan.
Sir, hello po.
Kapis po.
Dahil sa agribusiness.
Thank you.
Pala namin si Juliana's Farm.
Oh,
Oo, nakita niya dito ko from Catis kani sir.
oh. Kumusta po?
Kumusta po, Sir Buddy?
Ayos naman po.
Buddy, ako nanonood ng naka-encourage ka mag-farm.
Ma'am, meron kayong yung bingo card.
Meron.
I-claim nyo yung mga freebies.
Dragon fruit.
Andyan si Dragon Fruit. Andito po sila.
Bili ako ng sa kanya, kagagawan mo. Tara na. Tapos not only that, nagtanim din kami na para makadami tayo. Avocado.
Avocado.
Dahil sa iyo.
Kay Sir Toti.
Toti.
Marami kayong binili?
Kahit sa bulset. Sir.
Ma'am. Thank you, thank you.
Kasi kami doon sa cellphone, sir.
Ah? Oh, sige. Okay.
Thank you po. Sir,
Sir, thank you.
wapo mo ngayon, ha? Nakita ko rin sa Sophie kanina, hindi ko tawag kasi hindi siya ba yun? Thank you very much, sir. Nakarating ako, sir.
Oo. Kumusta yung banana?
Sir, nakaka 5,000 na ako na
Wow.
seedlings. Yung binigyan mo nga ako ng problema, sir.
Ating partner. Hello!
Sir George!
Siyempre, lagi support tayo.
Ang professor!
Kanina pa ako nakaikot, malapit na ako manalo.
Para naging political yung mo
Mataas ang engagement.
Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you.
Last minute na kami nag-register dito.
Ha?
Last minute na kami nag-register.
Okay lang.
See you around. Bugs! Hala, ikaw pala yan. Thank you so much. Yay, nandito na si Bugs.
Congrats ulit dito.
Thank you.
Ay, pala na kayo dyan ah.
Ma'am!
Bye, ma'am!
Bogs! Later. Usap tayo.
Ay, naku, bakit ka ganyan?
Sir.
Do you remember from Zamboanga City?
Ay, opo.
Pero ako yung taga-Ipil, Zamboanga Disbugay. Mula ako talaga ako, yung last, yung anniversary.
Doon.
Oh.
Kesa,
Hindi ako napunta, ngayon ako nakapunta. Nagpunta talaga ako kahit sa taga-Ipil po ako, ha.
yes, sir. Sir, tapusin ko lang si Ma'am Mags. Tapos tayo naman, sir. Okay na? Sir, Ma'am Mags.
May dala akong mga seeds dyan, sabi ko pamigay mo.
Sir.
Tell me muna tayo, sir. Kailan balik mo sa Zamboanga, sir?
Wala pa, sir, eh. Pero pupunta kami ng Tawi-Tawi. Ina-arrange.
Yung sa Ipil, hindi mo ka na Sibugay, wala ka pa schedule.
Wala pa. Pero may kamag-anak ako doon.
Yun ang sabi mo sa akin.
Oo.
Sabi ko, 2 years-
Kapatid ng nanay ko.
2 years from now, yung nagpunta tayo, i-invite kita.
Yes,
1
sir.
year na lang ako.
Yes, sir.
I-invite kita. From contractor turning to... wala akong flood control, sir, ha?
Alam, blood control. Sir, thank you. Sir. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. Apa.
Good afternoon po.
Saan po kayo galing?
Pasig lang po. Pasig.
Thank you, sir. Ma'am, thank you. Sir.
Alam na rin sa idol ko.
Thank you, sir. Ha? Sir, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Sir, kumusta ulit?
Sir, Doc. Kumusta?
Thank you.
Ba't wala si ma'am?
Oo nga, nasa Cebu eh. Sayang eh. Oo.
Okay, sige sir, thank you.
Sir.
Ikot muna ako.
Apo. Andyan, ang daming mga taga-ILT dyan. Nakakalat. Apo. Pa-picture naman tayo. Sir.
Ang dami ng tao, ang dami. Grabe.
Marami nang nag-engage sa'yo.
Wala na akong boses, sa dami ng mamaya kwento.
Sir, yes sir. Thank you so much po.
Ayos yan. Sigurado ko nang makakarating ako rito.
Thank you sir. Kamusta yung farm? Getting bigger and bigger.
Hindi bigger because I don't have a place anymore.
Yeah.
But ang nangyari, gumagawa ako ng greenhouse sa iba.
Oh.
Then, sa dami ng orders, parang kukunin na namin. Idea mo rin. Turo mo yun, di ba? Turo mo sa akin yun.
Sinabi ko ba yun, sir?
Dati, dahil urban gardening maliit. Pag lumaki, incorporate ako.
Nag-work, sir?
Mag-work naman. Nag-work at mag-work pa.
Ano na kayo?
Lapit na.
Kayo?
Maya-maya, wala pang queue.
Oh, yun. Sige.
Standby lang po.
Standby.
Thank you, Sir Buddy. Thank you po.
Sir, thank you, ma. Salamat po. Saan po kayo galing?
Nueva Ecija po.
Anong farm nyo?
Wala po yung sa tito ko lang, no? Nagtitingin-tingin lang din po.
Okay.
Sana
Sige sir, enjoy
Okay.
niyo yung sir, yung program.
Okay po.
Apa.
Thank you.
Sir. Kumusta po?
Kumusta po kayo? Pwede po ba
Yes sir.
Thank you po, boss.
Thank you sir. Thank you. Helen.
Diyan, nag-iikot lang.
Ayan.
Nakabahan?
Okay na ako.
Ayun na.
Napasolo nga.
Yes sir. Thank you sir. Pa-picture naman tayo din.
Sige. Kamusta yung VO?
Nagpa-view ako kagabi.
Oo.
So, napuyat ako kasi inabol ko yung opening.
Saan? Doon pa rin sa studio mo ginawa?
Ibang nag-ano ko ng... Kasi ayoko, para ma-minimize na yung ibang mga problems.
Okay.
Ano ko na. Buti naka...
Ano lang, slow transition na lang.
Yeah.
Sa matutunan. Dami
Ay, Sir Atoy!
Thank you.
Apo. Thank you, sir. Hello, ma'am. Thank you po for coming.
Nagpa-picture na ako sa lahat.
Marami na nagpa-picture sa'yo, sir. Sir, pa-picture tayo. Thank you po.
Sorry to disturb you.
Ate ko.
I know.
Ay, sir.
Aming company.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bro. Marami ka pang guest.
Ikot lang ako. Hello. Okay.
Nice meeting you.
Hindi siya nakarating.
We want to thank everyone who arrived here, who have driven, who have flown from different places here in the Philippines.
Sige, ma'am. Sino kasama niyo? Hello, sir. Apo. Bahala na po kayo.
Lechon.
Ay, hello ma'am.
Nice to meet you in person.
Thank you po.
My brother.
Hello, sir.
Picture na.
So many tips. Thank you so much.
Thank you po. Apo.
Halika.
Ma'am, saan po kayo?
Wow, we're excited.
So that's it for a start. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Ma'am, thank you so much po. Apo.
Picture tayo.
Isa pa po.
Sige po. Saan po kayo galing?
San Diego kami magkapatid.
San Diego pa? Thank you po. Ma'am, thank you so much. Sir, thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are live here at the Agribusiness Connect 2025 here at Element Centris. First of all, we want to thank everyone who've arrived here, who have driven, who have flown from different places here in the Philippines, or who have flown from different countries just to be here with us. We are very glad to have you. We are very thankful that you guys are here. By the way, I'm Alex. I will be giving you updates off stage. I want to introduce the people behind our booths in this event. Okay, let's get started with Restore, our photo booth. I want to introduce to you guys Mr. Miguel Yoro.
Hi, good afternoon. So yes, so for everyone who would like to have their photos taken, you can go to the photo booth right near the entrance. Gawa po ito lahat actually sa mga upcycled plastic sachets. Yung ating backdrop is actually around 3,000 pieces of sachets. And then while waiting, meron din po tayong recreational area over here. So feel free to enjoy the area as well.
Very interesting. I'm very excited nung nalaman ko na this is what they're all made of. So that's it for Restore. Guys, don't forget to get your photos taken here, okay? Now let's get to know more booths. And I'm passing it on to you now, Nea.
Thank you so much, Alex. That was a great look at the other side of the booth. As for my end, my name is Elenea, and I am here to showcase Transfer It. So I am with Sir Danoel Caranto. Say hi, Sir Danoel. All right. So, sir, I heard that this is your second year with agribusiness, and I heard that you are also involved with their booths and giveaways today. What do you have for them this year?
Kami yung souvenirs, and then yung mga ganito, stamp card, yung ID, and yung mga sticker.
Oh, so ayan, everything here is by Transfer. So, sir, how about the products naman? What would you like to highlight in your booth?
Actually, we have here different kinds of products like clocks, ball pen, shirts, mugs, cups, and many more, a lot more. So, these are the giveaway. Ang gagawin nila is magsa-sign up lang sila sa amin. Magkakaroon na sila ng mga giveaways like mugs, ball pens, and anything. Marami pa.
Alright. Thank you so much, Sir Danoel. So that is for Transfer It. Don't forget to visit kasi they have so many freebies. And don't forget to ask questions as well. So guests can visit their booths anytime. And as for now, for more happenings for Agribusiness Connect, I am going to transfer it back to the stage. Thank you.
Gusto mo bang matuto ng agribusiness, crops, livestock and poultry, aquaculture, at ma-inspire sa mga success stories? Agribusiness, how it works! Welcome to Agribusiness Connect 2025, Agriculture in Full View. An exciting day of panel discussions, exhibits, business socials, and dinner. Meet this year's panelists. For Smart Farming and Precision Agriculture, Christopher Tuazon, COO of NutriHydro Plant Nutrients. Michael Caballes, Chief Farmer and Owner of Bukid Amara. Tark Bartlema, Philippine Representative of Rix One. Engineer Jose Emisiojo, President of Turbulent Greenhouse. For Aquaculture, Paulo Enrico Orbe, Farmer and owner of Villa Orbe Farms. Gerald Prudon, President of Stun Gun Ornamental Fishes Incorporated. Ivan Cotara, Product Manager for Tate Vanamin of Sante Feeds Corporation. For Livestock and Poultry, Dr. Paul Alan Brucal, President and CEO of Rumen Incorporated. Councilor Lorenzo L.J. Sumulong III, owner of Sumulong Farm. Dr. George Manahan, President and CEO of Prime Agritech Corporation. Dr. Sinan Baguio, Director of Livestock Research Department of DOST Picard. For high-value crops and orchard, Enrico Batumbacal, owner of Batumbacal Farms. Dr. Efraim Cercado, President of Dendrotonics Corporation. Former Mayor Democrito Aljun Diamante, CEO of Tuburan Coffee. Kevin Eliscopides, owner of Bulacan Dragon Fruit Depot. Brother George Maria St. Winston Visitacion, COO of Yamang Bukid. For rice and corn, Attorney Eric Giro Acuña III, President of Amo Agri-Ventures Corporation. Engineer Eddie Guillen, Administrator of National Irrigation Administration. Rolando Lagaya, owner of Greenland Organic Fertilizer. For mechanized farm machineries, Attorney Rainier Defante, President of Rural Bank of Angeles. Ben Limcumpao, President and CEO of All Certified Equipment Trading Corporation. Buddy Tangcontian, Sales Director of AgriDome. Agribusiness Connect 2025 is brought to you by Rural Bank of Angeles, your rural bank of choice. Tate Vanaman Feeds, best value solutions for shrimp farming. AgriDome, empowering you with digital agriculture. Amo, ako'y magsasakang organiko. Itaas ang ani, ibaba ang gastos. All certified equipment. A company steered by experts, manned by professionals. Greenland Organic Fertilizer, katuwang sa pag-asenso ng magsasakang Pilipino. Tuburan Coffee, hand-picked and roasted with love. And Tuburan 360, Nutri-Hydro Plant Nutrients. Think precision, think Nutri-Hydro. Villa Orbe Farms, pioneer of pure Berkshire and RAS-fattened crabs. Bulacan Dragon Fruit Depot, source of quality dragon fruits and planting materials. Dendrotonics, agarwood and reforestation for God, country, and wealth. Bio and Biofertilizer, teknolohiyang Pilipino, gawang Pilipino, para sa Pilipino. Yamang Bukid, galing sa kalikasan, alay sa kalusugan. Rixwan, sharing a healthy future. Restore Solutions, reinventing sustainability. Transfer it, print on anything. Don Benitos, Pambansang Cassava. We would also like to thank the following sponsors: Sugarcane and Beyond, RSL Fish Crackers, Innovative Agro Industry, Roomsol, BOA Machines, Turbulent Greenhouse, Crispy King, Asil Laboratories, Don Ricardo's Lechon House, Bank of Makati, Godel Chocolate, Card MRI, Mango Tours Houston, Texas. We are excited to announce the lucky winners of our raffle prizes and giveaways. Free trip to Taiwan, made possible by BNG Travel and Tour Services. Free tour to Thailand Aralat Gala, thanks to Inspired Learning Tours. Exclusive gift certificates from Kiwami Japanese Master Kitchen. Agribusiness Connect, agriculture in full view.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Agribusiness Connect, agriculture in full view. To officially open our event with her opening message, we welcome the executive producer of Agribusiness How It Works, Miss Sofia Gansenya.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's nice to finally see you all in person. I know we have guests from Mindoro, Basilan, Zamboanga, Cebu, La Union, and other different provinces pa in the Philippines. I also know we have guests from the US and the UK. And despite the weather lately, you're all here and we really, really appreciate it. We created this event based on how we know our viewers or subscribers. And the most frequently asked question to us is, ano bang magandang simulan na farm or business? and paano. So that's why we created Agribusiness Connect with the thought of giving you all an overview of different industries in agriculture. So we will discuss kung ano yung current status or situation ng mga industries na to. Meron ba tayong opportunity kung na nag-aantay sa atin pag pinasok natin to? And pwede din na some of you naghahanap lang ng expansion para sa mga farms nyo. So, this event is for you regardless kung baguhan ka or farmer ka na. And we will start right away with our first panel discussion, Smart Farming and Precision Agriculture. Thank you.
Agribusiness merch is now available on Shopee and Lazada. Agribusiness, how it works. Instruct, inspire, succeed.